Hello? Hello, hello? Hello, you must be the new night guard, right? Pleasure to have ya. So, welcome to Tommy Dongington's Diner, where we put the dine in your shine. So, here, you can probably tell we have three animatronics in the building. Tommy, the main star, Alan, the DJ dog, and Emmy, the singing dog. So, yeah, the food's here's great. Good deals at best. So, yeah, I'm here to be your guide for the week. So, of course, you're here to 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., and you're only here for 5 nights. And, well, you might be in a little bit of danger. So, yeah, let me explain. So, during the day, the animatronics are actually pretty chill during the day. But at night, the animatronics won't see you as an employee, but they'll see you as a person trying to rob the restaurant. And yeah, they'll most likely try to attack you. So we decided to help you with that. So of course you got security cameras to track down the animatronics, and then you got free flashlights. The flashlights are red, and for some reason the animatronics don't like red lights. So they should be able to run away or something if the red light is shining at them. So yeah. So you'll be fine. You'll be fine. And yeah, you can use these flashlights for a long time. They won't run out of battery. These are special flashlights. But yeah, just check the cameras and stay cool. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace out. Hello? Hello? Alright, night two. Not bad. So, so I probably guessed that the animatronics tried to attack you. But, you made it. So, so yeah, let me tell you a little bit about this company. So, so after the closure of a other restaurant, we decided to actually make our own little performing place with animatronics and food. And it's been a big hit so far. We started back in February, so yeah, and yeah, everyone loves this place. And oh, I almost forgot. You probably noticed while checking the cameras that you have a reboot system. So let me tell you about that. You'll have to reboot the cameras time to time because they're a little old. We had them for about 10 years or so, but I think it shouldn't take that long to reboot the cameras. So yeah, sorry to I'm sorry about forgetting about that. Tell you about that yesterday. So yeah, sorry about that. Didn't mean to forget. But anyways, I hope the night goes good for you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow night. So yeah, peace. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, good job, night three. You're a professional at this. Man, you're actually one of the few night guards that really never quit this job. For some reason, when we had our previous night guards, they just gave up. They didn't want to do it no more. So, yeah. So you can probably tell or hear that when Tommy moves during the night, you can hear him bark. When you hear him bark, that's when you know he's moving. You can just hear the other two's footsteps. And yeah, they're not really much of a threat. Just make sure they don't get to you. I heard that if they get to you, still force you in a Tommy suit for some reason, but I don't know. I think it's just a rumor. But we do have like a spare empty Tommy costume, but it's not filled with electric components or anything. So if they stuff you in there, you should be fine. But anyways, I'ma head out. I got things to do. So yeah, talk to you later. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, night 5. This is your last night here. So yeah, I hope everything's been well for you. You're actually the first guard to even make it to your 5th night. Crazy, right? But anyways, you'll get your paycheck later today. After that, we'll probably move you to the day shift. So yeah, it was nice having you as the night guard. So yeah, I'll see you later. Peace out.